Hello everyone. So today I'm gonna present about the vision of leadership. What I think I have about leaders, what leadership qualities I have. Basically, I'm gonna talk about my leadership style. My name is Mohsen from second BVA, and here it goes. So while talking about the agenda of this presentation is what is leadership? What are the qualities of leadership? So I will be talking about bit of it, and I will be talking about what my qualities of leadership is and what are lacking about it. So there will be included analysis part as well as where what kind of leadership behavior will be discussed, and course learning outcome which I have learned from course, and some of the recommendation which I think people need to know before they become a leader. So first of all what is leader? As you know, a leader is a person who have vision, who inspire other people, have a good communication with other, may trust them. They have goal. They should be approachable. They have knowledge as well as skill. Not someone random who have been managed, who haven't managed been properly, as well as organized person. The most important thing I think is optimistic, and this will have self-condition confidence. If I don't have confidence, then my followers won't follow me, and they won't believe me as a role model. In leadership, role model is very much important. Moving in another part, as a boss or leader, and a leader is boss or leader is not a different person, but they are different position policies. However, a person should be a leader, not a boss. In boss, a superior feels that they have higher power as they do. It is not good for followers to be in less position than the followers. As a leader is in every position, as a superior or subordinate lower position, this will be working together to achieve the objective of the organization, which is more efficient. After that, what followers expect? Followers expect to work together with them together for good communication skill and good environment. We do not have superior or subordinate feeling, so that we can do anything and whatever they like in order to achieve the goal, but not out of the context. So next one is vision and risk taker, which I think personally lack. The far vision, the process, the method, what we do, like my vision for future. And I think this is my disadvantage. And next one is risk taker. A leader should always deal with any kind of risks. A leader should make them follow to do work and support them and take the risk. So I think I can do this thing. However, I guess I'm directive leader as well. Moving on the slide, as I have talked about earlier, that this should have far vision, communication skills should be a good to a follower to get influence. So the person having vision plus followership and influence can be a great leadership, as this is the major factor to any kind of objective. So the next part is transformational leadership. I think I am a kind of transformational leader because I am not exactly a transformation leader, and but I am trying myself to change towards transformation leader. So this site was developed by James Bonds in 1978, and which time uh, two theories were introduced, which were transformation and transactional leadership. So these are the styles of transformation leadership, in which idealized influence, inspirational motivation, intellectual stimulation, individual consideration are fall under. So moving on to the leadership, my leadership style. My type of leadership is to influence people, motivate people, stimulate them, and I have a good communication between. And the thing which I lack is patience. As you can see in the picture, both the four process have concluded. them to get the effective outcome. Also, I perform beyond expectations. Even I have a transactional leadership as contingent reward is a transactional leadership. I follow all those criteria and became a better leadership in coming future, and I'm trying my best in current context also. So moving to another part, where what are the qualities of good leader? While talking about the qualities of good leader, a good leader should have inspiration. He should be inspired and he should give inspiration to all the followers who have been following him. Similarly, integrity, it should, as well as clear goals. Follow leaders should have clear goals so that he can share to the followers and work together to achieve the objective of the organization or institution anywhere. Without clear goals, nobody can get do anything. Similarly, good example. Uh, Good leaders should have always have a good example to motivate, to inspire, to make them more active and make participative to the followers. Similarly, vision. The vision of the leader should be clear among the followers, and communication should be done clearly without any mismanaged way. If they are, if communication are done in very good way, then there won't be misconfused or any problem issues in while working together. And leaders should always expect the best from the followers and should give them support while working if they are in trouble or problem, anything. Leaders should a good leader should must A good leader must encourage the followers each and every time so that they will be more active and participative. Similarly, recognition, stimulating work, and focus on team interests and needs. Good leaders should always focus on the team interests and needs of the team so that followers or subordinates can be more active, participative while doing any kind of work, and it can make easy to get the objective of organization or anything easily. Similarly, in next part, I have included analysis of my leadership behavior. As you can see, I am directive leadership. Deservedly in our class, our group made that I am a directive leadership and have a achievement oriented leadership behavior. The supportive part and participative part is a bit lacking in me. However, I am working myself to increase my behavior in participative way and supportive. So, as I have mentioned everything earlier, I am applying the qualities of leaders of each and every leader, not just a transformational leader having ethical and moral side, being good to the employees and positive impact to the organization. In environmental factor, it has very large number of factors which impacts on our leadership journey. So the points which will impact our leadership journey into negative way, I guess I am trying to work for those and avoid such factor that affects by emotion and eventually impact to the people who follows me. Basically, I am controlling my emotion and intelligence and having them in proper place where the followers can take me as a role model. Now, next one is understand diversity. In this part, people are from various diversity, such as ethics, culture, tradition differs, and I'm learning to understand their culture as well as trying to understand my culture similar as too, so that we can work together and grow together. And next one is identity, ethical and moral values, which I have mentioned previously. Finally, last one is appropriate strategies. What we think about strategy is one strategy is not enough for each and every situation. One strategy can be good for one situation, but not for all situation. So the leader should be so the so in next part I have included recommendation and summary. Leaders should be authentic but should not be shy to learn from other. Not everyone is accustomed to following. Consider taking the leadership. Not every people in this world are being born to be a follower or subordinate. Being considered being a leadership is a good thing. Not every tactic is appropriate in every situation. Using only one tactics in every situation won't be helpful or useful. Using very great leadership leaders should use various tactics in various situations. Be a authentic leader, but does not don't be afraid to pick up tips from other leaders. As I have said, that being a leader should be a real leader, but being a real leader, he or she should not be shy to pick ideas, thoughts, suggestion from other leaders, which might be helpful. Even it is not helpful, we can listen to them, which might work in coming of upcoming days. Similarly, creating a friendly environment uh, among the leader and followers without any cozy atmosphere. And finally, when a leader is not necessary, ignore it. And these are the references that I have used while preparing the slides. Thank you.